How to add YouTube gallery in Wix Studio. So in order to add a YouTube gallery, what you can do is you can click onto this plus icon, and then it should be able to open the elements that we have. Click onto the search and then search in here for YouTube. So head over and search, and it should be able to provide you in here some options like video player, custom background music, as well as a lot more options. So alternatively, you can also head over to Elf's site, click onto the search widget, and search in here for YouTube Gallery. So you have two options. You can choose Elf's site or you can choose the built-in video player of Wix. For this case, I'll choose in here Elf's site and choose in here the YouTube Gallery option. And then from in there, you can choose a template that you can use. We have YouTube channel, we have video grid, and we also have other options right there. I'll choose in here this video grid and click onto this template. Choose in here the channel URL and you can see in here what the widget will look like. From in there, click onto this publish option. And then from in there, it should be able to redirect you to this part. For this case, I'll just choose the free plan. And then once you have chosen the plan that you want, just copy the code, head back to your Wix, and for this case, click onto this embed in social. And for this case, let's choose in here this embed code and then drag it right here to the blank part of the page in order to add it right there. From in there, click onto this enter code option and then just input right here the code that we have copied and click on update. In just a few seconds, it will reflect the actual YouTube gallery that we have created from Elf's site, and it should be able to show us the YouTube grid that we have. So that's how you add YouTube gallery in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.